What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I've talked about XRP quite a bit, and I think a lot of people are starting to get on board with understanding the potential of what XRP could be and how it could be implemented within this world. But not only from a use perspective, but also understanding an investor perspective of where this can go. I think that's the bigger conversation that everybody wants to have is exactly how much is this going to be worth? How much are you going to be able to make from the position? Because as you invest into it right now, it's all about what the lowest price is that you can get it at and how much you can get, because the end really matters of how much you have and how much that's going to be worth per coin or per investment that you make, right? So if you have 1,000, you want it to be worth, $10,000 or $100,000. It's like, how can it find a way to get to that point? So let's talk about XRP in this video. Guys, if you could, make sure you hit the like button and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, if you guys want to check out my link to my Patreon, that is down below, as well as HG Access Patreon if you want to be a part of that. Now, don't forget about my referral link for Margex if you guys want to sign up and start trading XRP, because you can trade with leverage if you want to. Just know that there is a large risk, but you would be trading with other people's money. So let's say you do decide to invest $1,000 into it, you could potentially invest $50,000 into XRP if you feel as though this is the bottom and it's going to skyrocket. However, just really protect yourself, because that $1,000 can go away very quickly if it decides to reverse on you in that fashion. So I always recommend people start out with a 5x leverage so that they don't really have that larger form of a risk, but it still is a form of a risk. So make sure you guys take that into account when you are leverage trading. But Margex has been kind to me, and I hope that it can be kind to you as well. Let's talk about XRP and where it is, because today I saw an article from Watcher Guru talking about how Ripple could rally, 1,500% to $11 ish, and some believing that it can go a lot further. And I always like to get others' explanations on that, because not only am I seeing like my explanation and where I believe it's going to go, but I want to see others that are going to say sort of the same thing or have their own expectations on where we'll go as well. So if we look at XRP's price right now, just to kind of get this all in line, if you were looking at XRP's price right now, you're going to see that it's at 57 cents. It's down about 1% on the day. We're also seeing the volume at a 3% decrease, almost 4% decrease in the last 24 hours. We're also seeing it at a less than $1 billion worth of volume, so not really seeing a ton of volume like it normally does, of around 2 billion plus volume. We are seeing this at a $30.9 billion market cap, which, we want to see it a lot further. We want to see it surpass, things like Solana and things like BNB and things like even Ethereum and Bitcoin. We want to see that, but we need to take these baby steps first in order to get there. You are seeing the total supply at 99.9 billion, which the max supply is 100 billion. There are some that has been burned off. That's why you're seeing the difference. But you still have the circulating supply, which is a lot of people's gripes within this position, is the dilution within it, and the dilution every single month, because they have a schedule to release 1 billion coins every single month. So that's something that you always have to keep in mind when you are investing into different positions. But XRP, I feel as though no matter what, it's going to be worth way more than where it is right now. So it has a lot more upside than it does downside here. Now, when we get into the prediction side of it, I saw this article that came up from Watcher's Guru, which is Ripple XRP could rally 1,500% to $11, and here's when. Despite lagging behind other major cryptocurrencies in 2023, several indicators suggest that Ripple XRP is gearing up for a huge price surge to $11 or more soon. Ripple gained just 17% in the last quarter of 2023, significantly underperforming top cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Solana. This lackluster performance raised doubts amongst some XRP investors about the token's potential. Scroll down here. However, prominent crypto analyst Greg, hopefully I'm saying that name right, argues XRP holders should remain patient, citing technical signals that point to a massive uptrend. He calls a gamma ray burst. Scroll down here. an energetic event could spark a 15,000 or 1,500% surge. The GRB concept refers to a high energy event that releases incredible amounts of gamma ray radiation in the crypto markets. EGRAG, if I'm saying the name right again, I'm probably butchering it. I apologize. Uses it as a metaphor for similarly explosive price moves. He notes that XRP already experienced a GRB like rally during the 2017 crypto bull run, skyrocketing from 0.003 or 30% of a penny up to $3.31 between January 2017 and 18. He believes a second GRB event could drive XRP to $11 in the current cycle, representing a nearly 1,500% surge from the current levels around 70 cents, which honestly it's a little bit lower. However, he argues that even higher targets like $33 or $220 are feasible as well. So this brings into other kind of breakdowns as to where people believe that this is going to go. And honestly, I can't say whether I truly do believe that this is going to take place. I can't say it's 100%, but you have to have your expectations. You have to have how you feel. And some other people may not feel that it will even move at all. Some people feel like it's just not going to be worth anything and it will continue to drop down and be worth 0.003 cents again, right? And that's your opinion. That's where you were coming from with that play. I honestly think that we may see some rallies like this, but will it come, in this time frame? Who really knows exactly when that's going to happen? I don't think they know exactly when that's going to happen, but it's expected sometime soon as we see the crypto market really rally. But when I think about the crypto market and XRP rallying, it depends on what happens with the entire market. Right, it's not just XRP. And while you have things like the SEC attacking Coinbase, SEC attacking Terraform Labs, the SEC attacking Ripple, and everything that's going on there, that also eats into what we see within the chart based on some of these rallies. I've seen predictions and where things should have gone in the last year in 2023. However, 2023 was full of SEC versus this, SEC versus that, and SEC versus that, and it was a problem, right? And then you also had, different lawsuits that were reaching their end and may have not been the most bullish thing for the crypto market. So honestly, in my opinion, I think that these things, some of these prices, seeing 11 cents, seeing 20 cents, seeing even up to 50 cents, and even further than that, can happen. It all depends on what's going to happen on the implementation side, as well as what's going to happen on the SEC versus all of these different pieces here. But it's great to see others that have like-minded, price targets as mine, as some other people that are out there as well. But as I see the potential to get to $100, even $1,000, even $10,000, that's just my opinion, right? So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below for my Patreon as well as my Margex if you guys want to sign up for that. But I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. See ya.